Here's the Nintendo Labo Variety Kit Toy-Con Piano working with the Nintendo Labo VR Kit. 3, 2, 1. The little buttons also work too, along with this little side switch, as you can see by the little things on the screen lighting up. Every key, it works pretty well, but, you know, it's not perfect. But I also took these traceable cards that you can trace with a pencil and make your own rhythm or sound wave cards using paper into these sort of game cards that use the infrared stickers. Here would be side A, which you would insert into the piano's card slot, with side B showing to the user, and then to insert side B, you would have side A face the user. There's also this one, which I plan on this side being the platform game, and this side being some kind of other type game. And this one will just be some old Flash game remade into the Toy-Con Garage VR. And this one will be Pong. Now, once I finally get all those working together, I think I'll make a second video about those. But for Pong, I think keys C and this one is probably called D, but, you know, these two keys would move the front paddle up and down, or not the front paddle, but the one on the left side of the screen, and keys high C, and this one will move the paddle on the right of the screen, also up and down. Pretty simple controls, I guess, but, you know. Let's see the cards on the screen now. Inserting card 1, side A. Yeah, I think I zoomed in a little too much. But yeah, there's all the code. You can probably see the similarities with the Famicom Disk System and how... You can probably see the similarities with the Famicom Disk System and how these cards are used with the Toy-Con Piano, with these little stickers on it, because I couldn't get it to recognize them any other way when the VR kit is being used. Since there's a side A and a side B, similar to how Famicom Disk System games, which are on proprietary floppy disks, also have A and B sides, which I think records and cassette tapes also have A sides and B sides. Except for VHS tapes, I think those only have one side that has content, but yeah.
I'll pick this up and check this out.
By the way, now I have this robot backpack.